Hi there, it's Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor, and I just want to take a second today to bring a listing to you that we've got on the market. It is 188 Private Road 7009 in Frankston. It's actually in a neighborhood called the Meadows here in Frankston, and it is a Lake Palestine community. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1939 square foot, built in 2008. So real quick, we're going to do a little run through and just kind of show you a video tour of the home, and then I'll be right back. So take a look. So what'd you think? Leave some comments or questions down below. Now that we've done the home video, there's actually going to be another video that you can click on down and below, which will be the neighborhood tour. The Meadows Addition that this home sits in is really a great neighborhood. So you'll experience it by driving down the road. It'll take you down to the neighborhood boat launch that you will have that amenity if you purchase this house. It's just beautiful down there. Anyway, and this was actually just reduced as well. It is now 184.5, and like I said, it's a little over 1,900 square feet. So give me a call, let me know what you think, or leave a message down below. There's also a link down below that will go directly to the website that will give you all the data information on it as well. So feel free to do that too. So I appreciate you watching, and I hope this has been helpful. This is Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor. Look forward to talking to you again.